Hello, this is Bill with Imaging Spectrum. Today I'm going to be taking existing footers, backgrounds, and overlays that I've used in Breeze, and I'm going to be using those to create a template in Darkroom Booth. First thing we need to do is make sure on the very top here we're set on settings and then main, and that gets us to our template creator. We are going to be doing a 4x6. Okay, we are going to be doing 4 photos. They are going to be horizontal photos. We do want to set the print for 4x6 in one copy. We're going to set the template or output for custom and then click choose. Now we're going to have the ability to go up here to new. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and name this border 2x6s. You can name it anything you want to. I'm just doing this for ease sake. Okay, I'm going to set for vertical 4x6. I've got it named already. Everything else to default okay. All right. One other thing, I do have my grid set for 2 units per inch, so that means every half inch I'm going to have these little dots here on the screen, which is going to help me line up the photos. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to add photos, okay, and I am going to do 4 rows in 1 column. Even though we want to have 4 rows and 2 columns, by doing it this way, the numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way down instead of 1 on the top left and 2 on the top right and so on. That won't work correctly for what we want to do. The next thing we're going to do is come down here under fixed aspect ratio and change it to size. Click on edit, and we're going to change this to 1 3/4 by 2 1/2. There we go. Okay, I'm going to click OK here, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change my spacing to 1 millimeter for each, kind of like I did with Breeze. Okay, I'm going to click OK. That's going to give me a start on what I'm trying to do here. I'm going to go to the very top left-hand corner here and reduce the size here and reduce it a little bit more because I do need to put a footer on the bottom of here. Okay, and I still need to make it a little bit smaller for it to fit in the space here. Okay, I'm going to adjust it on this side now. There we go. Makes it a little smaller, a little easy to work with. I can see my dots here in the center, so I know I've got this nicely centered. I got plenty of room on the bottom here for my footer. Now that I have that created, I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to duplicate. Okay, now I've got 2 of them, so now I've got my classic 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way down. By sliding it over, I do have my 1 millimeter here on this side, 1 millimeter here, a little bit of room in the middle for the cut. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to the bottom where it says Add Artwork, and I'm going to navigate to where I had them in Breeze. So I'm just going to go into the into the user folder. Okay, and demo, which is what mine's called, My Documents, Photo Booth Images, and scroll down to the bottom. It's in this folder here. All right, and this is my background. I'm going to select that. Alright, so now I have my background, but it does cover up my photo, so I'm going to come here to the top right hand corner and change the positioning of this and make sure that the background is actually the background. Alright, so I'm going to click Add Artwork again, click on Browse again, scroll down to my footer, select my footer, okay, and none of that needs to be changed, so now we're going to slide this to the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to click on Add Artwork again. Click on Browse, and I am going to select my overlay here. Okay, and I do want to set my alpha channel. I'm going to click OK. It just snaps right back to the position where it originally was. And now all I have to do is go up to Save. It's going to put it in Booth Templates here, 2x6s. So I'm going to click Save here. I'm going to choose it. And now I've got my new template in Breeze created using existing background overlays and footers that I'd used in Breeze. If I need to make, if I want to go in and use other ones, I can just go in here and I can edit it, and I can actually put a different background, different footer, different overlay, but my photo composites here get to stay the same, and then I can just save as and create a whole new one. So that was just about 4 minutes it took to do the first one, and then like I said, after that you're real simple to add on other ones. So that's all it takes. Well, great. Thank y'all. Y'all have a good day.